TCL 32 inches Class LED 3 Series 1080p Smart HDTV Roku TV Model 32S327SKU6280538. Cost $126.99. Best Buy. https://www.bestbuy.com/site/TCL-32-class-LED-3-series -1080p Smart Head Roku TV /6,280,538 p. SKU ID equals 6,280,538. Overview description: take your viewing to the next level with this 32-inch TCL LED television. Full 1080p resolution with a 60 Hz refresh rate captures every detail in a scene with minimal blur, and Roku is integrated so you can stream your favorite content. This TCL LED television has 3 HDMI ports to connect to multiple HD devices. TV Buying Guide TV. See Top TV Deals features simple, intuitive interface. Your favorite broadcast TV, streaming channels, console, and other devices are front and center. No more flipping through inputs or wading through complicated menus. Like mobile apps, all your favorites are at your fingertips from the instant you turn it on. Over 500,000 movies and TV episodes. Enjoy over 500,000 movies and TV episodes available, plus live sports, news, music, kids and family, food, science and tech, fitness, foreign language, and so much more. Easy to use remote. The super simple remote, with about half the number of buttons on a traditional TV remote, puts you in control of your favorite entertainment. Premium design, a black finish and quad pedestal stand lend style and sophistication to your home theater. Roku Search. Easily search across top streaming channels by title, actor, or director, all from one place, with Roku Search. Voice search is available on the free Roku mobile app and provides a fun and fast way to search for what you want to watch. Free Roku Remote app. Transform your smartphone or tablet into a full-function Roku remote with a voice control, the ability to browse and add new channels, even listen to TV audio on headphones connected to your mobile device. My Feed. The Roku feed lets users know when their favorite entertainment becomes available to stream. Simply follow popular in-theater movies and Roku will provide streaming information as soon as it is available. 31.5 inches screen, measured diagonally from corner to corner, a good size for a small living room, bedroom or dorm room. 1080p resolution for stunning HD images. Watch Blu-ray movies and 1080p HD content at their highest level of detail. Smart TV with access to streaming services for countless entertainment options. Stream shows, movies, games, and more with the TV's built-in Wi-Fi and integrated apps. Built-in Roku Smart Platform delivers access to a world of entertainment. Stream from Disney+, Apple TV+, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Prime Video, or choose from more than 4,000 other streaming channels. LED TVs perform well in all lighting conditions. They also deliver plasma-like deep blacks and rich colors. Advanced TV sound. 25W main channel speakers. 3 HDMI inputs for the best home theater connection. High-speed HDMI delivers a full 1080p picture and digital surround sound in one convenient cable. HDMI cable not included. Enjoy the picture from multiple angles. 178 degrees horizontal and vertical viewing angles provide a clear picture for viewers seated near the side of the screen. One USB input. Easily connect your digital camera, camcorder, or other USB device. Manage the viewing experience for your kids. The built-in V-chip lets you block content based on program ratings and check ratings of unfamiliar programs. Web-based services and content require high-speed internet service. Some services may require a subscription. What's included? AV adapter stand. TCL 32 inches class, LED 3 series 1080p, Smart, HDTV Roku TV TCL RC280 remote control. Key specs: display type LED, vertical resolution info 1080p, Full HD, screen size info 31.5 inches, high dynamic range, HDR, info no backlight type info, mini LED, refresh rate info 60 Hz, specific manufacturer technologies info, dynamic backlight control, smart platform info.
Roku TV.
Streaming services info: Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Google Play Movies and TV, HBO Now, Hulu, Netflix, Pandora, Prime Video, Sling TV, YouTube. Number of HDMI inputs: 3. Voice Assistant built-in info: Google Assistant General Product Name 32 inches Class, LED 3 Series, 1080p, Smart, HDTV Roku TV Brand TCL Model Number 32S327 Series Info 3 Series HDTV Color Black Color Category Black Dimension Height 17.1 inches 17.1 inches H Width 28.8 inches 28.8 inches W TCL 32 inches Class LED 3 Series 1080p Smart HDTV Roku TV Front zoom screen size 31.5 inches screen size 31.5 inches 31.5 inches height withstand 19.1 inches 19.1 inches H product height withstand 19.1 inches product width 28.8 inches product depth withstand 7.1 inches product height without stand 17.1 inches product depth without stand 3 inches product weight withstand 9.4 pounds product weight without stand 9.3 pounds box dimension height 20.6 inches width 31.4 inches depth 5.6 inches display type LED vertical resolution info 1080p full HD screen size info 31.5 inches screen size class info 32 inches high dynamic range HDR info no backlight type info mini LED curved screen no refresh rate info 60 Hz motion enhancement technology info natural motion 240 languages displayed info English, German, French, Spanish 3D technology info no feature remote control type standard specific manufacturer technologies info dynamic backlight control smart capable info yes smart platform info
Roku TV
streaming services info Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Google Play Movies and TV, HBO Now, Hulu, Netflix, Pandora, Prime Video, Sling TV YouTube V-Chip info yes TV tuner info digital connectivity number of HDMI inputs 3 number of USB ports total info 1 number of USB 2.0 ports 1 number of digital optical audio outputs 1 number of component video inputs info 0 number of composite video inputs info 1 number of DVI inputs info 0 RF antenna input info yes network compatibility built-in Wi-Fi headphone jack yes compatibility wall mountable info yes VESA wall mount standard info 100mm x 100mm voice assistant built-in info Google Assistant audio surround sound supported info Dolby Digital Plus build in speakers yes speaker output 10 watts power Energy Star certified info no EPI qualified info no estimated annual operating cost info 8 United States dollars estimated annual electricity use info 66 kilowatt hours rechargeable battery remote control. No battery size. Remote control. Info AAA number of batteries required. Remote control. 2 included stand included yes warranty manufacturer's warranty. Parts 1 year manufacturer's warranty. Labor 1 year other UPC 846042009973.
planning to do with the monitor or the actual TV on the stand is use it as a wireless display for my computer downstairs. So this is the Microsoft wireless display. It works very well. And this is all the accessories inside the TV. So what I'm looking to do is use it. It has two HDMI, so one HDMI will connect to the one AC. Well, you know what? It doesn't even matter. One HDMI will connect to the wireless. I'll connect it to the wireless display, and it has a USB port on it, so it'll be able to get powered from there also. And then I'll use it as a smart TV, which I'll just take around the house and use it whenever I want, when I want to watch regular TV. But when I'm working, like here, I can set up my wireless mouse and keyboard and be able to wirelessly work on my computer in the living room. The computer is located in the basement downstairs, which is probably, I'm going to say about 16 feet away. That includes the height of the ceiling from the floor of the basement to the ceiling to this floor. The basement ceiling is this floor, and coming over across, which is this wall right here. This wall right here coming over should be about 12 feet. And then from where the computer is to the table is probably about, I'll give it 6 feet, so make it 18 feet total. So it should be able to reach wirelessly, as the HDMI wireless display adapter can reach, I believe it's either 24 feet to 30 feet away. So let's try it out. I'll show you my setup. So this is the TV. I'm hoping it works. It's a 1080p. I'm just hoping it doesn't look like, you know, messed up. And I'm looking to, I didn't want to get a 4K TV, of course, too expensive. So I wanted to just get this one and try it out, so I can work on it when I'm up here in the living room instead of having to be downstairs. So I'll show you my setup. It's a VR setup, but it's also my workhorse computer. So I'll walk you over. And this is the basement door. Watch your step. And this is my setup here. So that's where the computer is. So as you can see, it's not that far away. And from here to the ceiling, it's about 4 feet, maybe. It's about an 8-foot ceiling, 9-foot ceiling. So it's not that far. So this is my setup. It's the R9 Dell, which is running my VR, which is great, works very well. And this is the TV that I use as my monitor down here, and this is where I sit at. So I want to be able to use it upstairs. So let me plug this in. You've seen this before. I've done a video on it. Very simple idea. You put this in, and on the Windows 10 machines, you can wirelessly find it. It works through Miracast or some type of Wi-Fi communication. I forget I don't know the exact thing, but it works really well. Okay, so while the channels are being added on the Roku TV, let's work on why I purchased the actual TV, is to use it as an extension display from my Dell R9. So let me do this, is display settings, and it should be right here. So it says, so you right click display settings and then connect to a wireless display, and should be here, or should be one of these. Oh, here it is. I have a few wireless Microsoft. I'm gonna wait until the channel's finished installing on the Roku TV, and then I'll try to switch it. I'm pressing the buttons on the remote, it's not doing anything. I don't want to ruin anything, so I'm gonna just wait until this is done. Shouldn't take long. And then I'll put it on input 3, which is the HDMI 3, which is where I hooked up the wireless display, and see if I can get it working. Set up for a TV. Okay, and it says firmware update, additional settings, download wireless display adapter app from Windows Store, ready to connect, action center, swipe down and connect. So let's go to the computer, let's go to the action center. Let me go here, and it should expand, and it should be here somewhere. So is it project or connect? I guess we'll try connect first. And there it is. Oh no, it's gonna be this one, not to the Roku display. And follow instructions on the device. Okay, extend it. So now if I go to display settings, I see identifying. What I want to do is I don't want to extend it, I'm going to make them duplicate. Let me see if it'll let me do it. Okay, I keep changes. hopefully it's displaying up there. So let's test it up there. Let's see if up there it's displaying the screen. And there it is. Here's the computer. Awesome. We're upstairs. And oh, let me turn on the... So I got the wireless keyboard and mouse. It should work. I also extended the... I'm hoping this reaches. It should. It's only wood. So... Okay, the keyboard is working. And the mouse is not. So, wait, where is... I think the mouse is not working. Alright, let me check the mouse and the keyboard. So everything is working perfectly. The mouse and keyboard are working. I removed one of the unifying, the Logitech unifying USB remote adapters. And I downloaded and installed, let me just show you, the unifying software, which allows you to use just one for numerous Logitech devices. I don't know how many. So I'm just going to put this away for future use. I'll leave it inside the mouse, and I'll show you the mouse and keyboard working. So the mouse and keyboard working just fine. That's my mouse right there. I'm moving around. Right click. Not much of a slight delay, but not a big deal. Let me, you know what? Let me put these away in my executable area. And then the keyboard. Let me press the Windows key so you can see it going up and down. Now the wireless receiver, I put an extension, a USB extension. I ran it through my ceilings, and it's underneath, around this area on the floor. So it's coming, it's right below this floor. So I'm receiving a good signal to these devices and a wireless signal. So I'm gonna run around the home and see how far I can get before the signal fades away. But it looks pretty good. I mean, this is duplicating the signal and it's coming over really well. And in the Roku TV part, maybe I'll get to it, I'm not sure. It just works. This is more for as an extendable monitor, one floor up, and to see if I can use it. So I can use my computer instead of going downstairs to the basement and being away from the family. I can stay up here and interact with everyone while I'm working on the computer. So I'm gonna try to get to the Roku part, you know, but the app, this is probably my 4th or 5th TV with the Roku app TV on it, and they work really well no matter what TV I get. The Roku option, I would suggest on all smart TVs. The WebOS and all that, don't like it, doesn't get updated, and then it stops working after a while. Whereas the Roku, so far so good. They update their software, and it just works. It works really, really well, streaming and everything. So I'll try that out before I end the video, and I'll let you know how I feel about that part. want to say that I'm very happy with the TV. It's fitting all my needs. That is the need to use it as a second monitor. I wouldn't use it as a regular monitor because then you get that breaking of the lines. When you look at fonts, you'll see the lines won't continue on. You know, even when you try to use ClearType to correct it, you still have those issues and it's just not as clear. But it is nice to use it as a second monitor when I need to, and to use it as a TV, as a smart TV to watch Hulu and Netflix, and also to watch regular over-the-air TV and over-the-air TV. And overall, it's pretty cool. It's mobile. I made it mobile with the tripod, and I'm happy with it. TVs today, they're all pretty much, I mean, unless you get into the much more high quality ones with the 4K, but standard 1080p's are standard 1080p's on all of them. I don't know, TCL brand. I'm not sure if it's a Best Buy brand like Insignia, or I don't even know if that's a Best Buy brand. I just know that Best Buy carries it. I don't know if TCL is carried anywhere else. To my understanding, it's only Best Buy, but I could be wrong. So please correct it below if it's not. So I like it. 32 inch, and I made it portable, and I can carry it with me anywhere and watch TV or work on the computer from my computer in the basement. I can work on it while I'm on the first floor. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Thank you.